Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today, we are learning math symbols and their names. Let's begin. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, equal, not equal, less than, greater than, approximately equal, summation, square root, percent, pi, angle, subset, empty set, intersection, union, belongs to, partial derivative, implies, for all, therefore, because, parallel, integral. These are common math symbols and their names in English. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Easy Math. Thank you for watching.